Gobi Aalu recipe. Cooking oil. Add gobi when oil is heated. Fry until turns into golden brown. They are done. Now take them out. Add onion, ginger garlic paste and sabet garam masala. Fry until turns to light golden. Turmeric powder, haldi, coriander powder, red chili powder. Mix them, then add some water. Add potatoes. Cook until the tomatoes dissolve. Stir until oil gets separated. Add fried gobis. Mix them carefully. Then add some water and cover it to cook. Now add green chilies and ginger. Mix, mix. Looking tasty. Squeeze lemon. And last, add coriander leaves. This is the final look. Try at your home and comment below.